Your credit score isn't mysterious. It's mostly a few habits, repeated monthly. Credit scores move most from a few levers, and 2 of them are brutally unforgiving. Credit utilization, how much of your limit reports is used, can swing your score in a single month, while one 30-day late payment can stick around for up to 7 years. The good news? Checking your own score doesn't hurt it. Carrying a balance doesn't build credit either. It just risks interest. Income isn't scored directly, and there are no real quick fixes. If you do only one thing to raise your score, stop late payments before they happen. Payment history is the biggest slice of most scoring models, so a single miss can outweigh months of progress. Set autopay for at least the minimum so you never hit 30 days late, then align due dates so bills cluster when you get paid. Most issuers report once per month, and late usually means 30+ days. Use 2 reminders, and if you miss, pay immediately. To boost your score faster, control what balance gets reported, not just what you pay by the due date. Your statement closing date is the snapshot that often feeds utilization, so paying before the statement cuts can drop your reported percent quickly. Mid-cycle payments help if you spend heavily throughout the month, and spreading purchases across cards prevents one card from reporting maxed out. A small reported balance can be fine, huge ones aren't. Avoid closing credit lines and consider asking for a limit increase to lower utilization. You can't optimize your score if your credit reports are wrong, so treat your reports like a financial record, not a vibe. Pull all 3. Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, because they don't always match. Check late payment dates and balances for accuracy, and dispute only true errors so you don't waste time. Watch for duplicate collections showing up twice for one debt. For real charge-offs, resolving them can help future lenders even if the mark remains. Track how negative items age off over time. Long-term score growth comes from spacing risk and building history, not constant card churn. New applications can cause hard inquiries and reduce your average age, so space them out and don't reapply right after a denial. Fix the reason first. Keeping older cards open helps your age and your total available credit, which supports utilization. Add new credit only when it fits your budget, and you can stay on autopay. Monitor your score for changes, but don't panic over small month-to-month wiggles. Utilization can change your score in a month, but a 30-day late can hurt for years. If you want a card setup that fits how you actually spend and shows the estimated dollar impact versus your current card, CreditCardAgent does it free in about 3 minutes with no login or credit check. Links in the description.